Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CJ dropshipping and source products for your store. So if you want to find products, connect CJ dropshipping to your store, add products to your store, and request products that are not already on CJ, then this video will walk you through everything step by step. I will keep this very simple, so even if this is your first time using CJ dropshipping, you can follow along without getting confused. Step 1. Create or sign in to your CJ dropshipping account. The first thing you need to do is go to the CJ dropshipping website. Once you're on the website, look at the top area of the page. You should see an option to register or sign in. If you already have an account, just click Sign In and enter your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Register, then create a new account using your email. After you create your account, make sure you are fully logged in before moving to the next step. This is important because you need to be inside your CJ account before you can connect your store, search for products, or send a product request. Step 2. Connect your store to CJ dropshipping. Now that you are inside your CJ dropshipping account, the next step is to connect your store. On the left side menu, look for Apps. Click Apps, then choose the store platform you are using. For example, if you are using Shopify, click Shopify. After that, you should see an option that says Add Store. Click Add Store. CJ may now ask you to allow the connection between your store and your CJ account. Click the button to continue. If you are using Shopify, it may take you to the Shopify app page. From there, click Install. Then Shopify will show you a page asking if you want to install the CJ dropshipping app on your store. Click Install App. After that, CJ will ask you to agree and allow the store connection. Check the box if needed, then click Authorize. Once this is done, your store should be connected to CJ dropshipping. To make sure everything worked, go back to Apps, then Shopify, and check if your store shows as active. If your store is showing there, that means CJ dropshipping is now connected to your store. Step 3. Search for products on CJ dropshipping. Now that your store is connected, you can start looking for products. Go back to the main CJ dropshipping page. At the top, you should see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type the product you want to sell. For example, you can search for phone case, pet brush, kitchen tool, LED light, baby product, or any product that fits your store. After typing your product name, press Enter. CJ will now show you a list of products that match your search. Take your time here. Do not just pick the first product you see. Open a few products and compare them. Look at the product photos, product price, shipping cost, shipping country, delivery time, and product options. The goal is to find a product that looks good, has a fair price, and can be sent to your customer in a reasonable time. And that is how to set up CJ dropshipping and source products for your store. You first create your CJ account, then connect your store, search for products, check the product details, list the product to your store, and use sourcing when you cannot find the product you want. Take your time with each step, especially when checking product price, shipping cost, and delivery time. This will help you avoid problems later and make your store easier to manage. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.